In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off dark mode on Instagram. So if you're using Instagram, you can easily enable the dark mode or turn it off. However, in most cases, I prefer to use the system settings to turn on my dark mode on Instagram application and turn it off. So if at the end of this video, you're able to choose the option to turn on the dark mode on your Instagram application, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first one to do is open the Instagram app on your device. This could be Android or iPhone. Then go to your profile. On the profile page, click on the menu icon top right. Then you want to change from light mode to dark mode or from dark mode to light mode. Then scroll down and click on accessibility. Then once you click on that, tap dark mode. Here you can turn on dark mode on your Instagram account or turn off dark mode on your Instagram account. You can also use the system default. With the system default, your Instagram account dark mode will turn on when your phone turns dark mode on and to turn off when your phone turns off dark mode. So this is how you can easily change or set dark mode on Instagram. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.